In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to install any IPA on your iPhone without computer and no revokes. So this method involves the Portal app by WSF, and it's a simple install. So the first thing you guys have to do is go to this Safari website here. I'll leave a link for that in the description down below. And from here, you guys are gonna click on downloads. And in downloads, you guys are gonna click on config profiles. And then for this, I would highly recommend doing CFDNS. So just click on that here, click on allow. And now that the profile has been downloaded, you guys just have to go to your settings app. And then in settings, go to general, scroll down until you see VPN and device management, go to downloaded profile, and then just click on install here, enter in your passcode, next, install. And once you guys do click done, just refresh the page right here and make sure that your DNS is set to CFDNS plus install only, as this one will allow you to actually install the IPAs. Now you're gonna go back to the website, click on back here, and you're gonna click on Portal here. And you'll see a bunch of different IPAs here. I think there's about like 17, 18. And essentially, you guys just have to choose one of these at random to see whichever one works. So a bunch of these certificates are revoked, but there are always at least one or two that aren't revoked, and so you can use them. And so the certificate that's working as of now, as of this video being recorded, is Postal. So just click on Postal here and then click on install. And once Portal has downloaded, if you guys click on Portal here, it'll say untrusted enterprise developer, and you just essentially need to trust this Postal certificate. So you're gonna go back into settings, and then you guys will see your enterprise app here. You're gonna click on that and then click on trust. However, if you guys do click on trust, you guys will need to restart. So I'll be back when I restart. So once you guys have restarted, you can just open up the Portal app here. You'll see a little good afternoon message, and now you can also add a bunch of your sources as well. So if you click on the plus icon here, you guys will see that you guys can use Feather, but honestly, there's no point of Feather since Portal now sideloads IPAs in the app itself. And in library, you guys will see your unsigned and signed apps. And before we can do anything here, we have to first go into settings and then click on certificates here, and we need to add our certificate. So we have to go back into Safari. You're gonna go back into downloads. You're gonna click on certificates here and then click on certificates. It will say, do you guys want to download certificates.zip? Click on download here. And now we just have to locate the file and extract the zip file. So once you guys have located the .zip file here, just click on that here to extract it and give it some time. And now you guys can see here all of the folders with the certificates inside of them. And each one of these will have two things. One is the mobile provision file, and the other one is the P12 file. So I just want you guys to remember, whichever certificate that you use to sideload Portal, you will have to use the exact same one, since if you were able to sideload Portal, that means that the certificate is not revoked. So it'll just save you a bunch of time. So for me, the one that worked was Postal. So I know now that I'm gonna go to the Postal folder, and now I can just use these two files to start sideloading. You're gonna go back into Portal. You're gonna click on this plus icon here. And now we have to first import the certificate file and the provisioning file. So you're gonna click on import here. You're gonna locate the certificates folder here. And now I'm gonna scroll down to Postal, since Postal is working for me right now. Click on the P12 file. And the provisioning file, if you click on that, it'll automatically take you to that exact folder. So you guys can click on the mobile provision here. And now we need to just enter in the password. The password is WSF in all caps. And you guys can rename it if you want. It doesn't really make a difference. Click on save, and your Portal will crash. So just reopen it. And now you guys can just go to certificates here, and you guys will see that your certificate will in fact be here. Now all we need to do is just sideload your IPA. So just click on this plus icon here, click on import from files, and now just locate your IPA. For this video, I'll be sideloading OldOS. And if you guys want to know how to get the IPA for this, I'll leave the video in the top right. So just click on this here, click on open. And you guys will see OldOS under unsigned here, and just click on sign over here, and you have your certificate here as well, so everything will work out. Click start signing, and immediately you can go to signed, and you will see here OldOS, and it is signed for 91 days. So just click on this here, click on install, and then click on install here. And now if we go back to our homepage, you guys will see that it has in fact sideloaded here. So we can just open up OldOS and then just click on allow here, and as you guys can see, OldOS works just like it is intended to. And just note that if you guys want to fully avoid all revokes, all you have to do is go back into settings, and under DNS you guys are going to change it from CFDNS plus install only to CFDNS config profile or CFDNS config profile plus UB. So just change it to either or, and essentially that's all you have to do to install IPAs using the portal signer. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below if you guys want more videos like this, and thanks for watching.